Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and super spicy app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is gonna be really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. So let's do it right now. Go to search. And here in the search bar, you need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on Downloader, and that's the app that you have to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader on your Firestick, we have to go to Settings right here. So I'll click on that button, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. We open it up, and now here what you need to do is turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it is really easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, then select Fire TV Stick and start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Let's open them. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install and on apps. And now from here, what you're gonna do is just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it up. And there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Bulgaria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So you just gotta go to the list of apps on your device, and here, start up the Downloader. So let's wait until it loads for you. And now here, basically all you have to do is click on Home on the left side menu. So make sure you have clicked on Home. And now, in that little search bar, we'll have to start entering the codes. So actually I got 2 spicy apps for you today, so we're gonna use 2 codes. And now, the first code is going to be 863078. So once again, it is 863078. That's the code. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code would not work for you. After that, click on Go, And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, as you can see, the download has started, so we just wait patiently until it ends. Usually that doesn't take long. And then what you have to do is click on install, and now the app will be finally installed to your Firestick device. And after it was installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So we click on done and then press on delete and delete. And then this way we get rid of unnecessary files and save yourself some free space on your Firestick device. And now, if you go to the list of applications on your Firestick, which is right here, we open it, and there is the newly installed Spice application. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble while using such applications. And now we go back to the downloader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing app to your Firestick. So you need to click on home again, erase the previous code, and now the next code is going to be 285356. So once again it is 285356. That is the second code we're going to use. Click on go. And now the download of the second application is going to start here for TV. Just like with the first one, it shouldn't take too long. And when the file is downloaded, all you have to do is click on install and wait a bit until the app is finally installed to your device. After that, of course, you click on done, so you would get an option to delete the unnecessary installation files. So click on delete and delete once again. And now, when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, here it is, let's open it up, and then there's the second app that you have downloaded. So now you got 2 amazing apps on your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.